ATV winch mount for select Kawasaki Brute Force ATVs, see fit chart for complete listing. Designed for use with all ATV UTV winches from 2000 lbs to 3,600 pounds. With the following mounting patterns: standard 4-hole, 4.875x3, and standard 2-hole. Powder-coated steel construction provides lasting performance and protection from rust and damage. Easy installation, comprehensive instructions included. 2-year limited warranty. The right winch is important, and so is the mount you use with it. The proper winch mount maximizes winch performance and safety, and seamlessly integrates your winch with your ATV. This Extreme Max winch mount fits select Kawasaki Brute Force ATVs, see fit chart in product images for complete information. Our winch mounts are designed for use with all ATV UTV winches from 2,000 pounds to 3,600 pounds. With the following mounting patterns: standard 4-hole, 4.875x3, and standard 2-hole. The mount features a powder-coated steel construction for lasting performance and protection from rust and damage. Designed for easy installation. Need a new winch? Check out the Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV UTV winch, available in 3,100 pounds, 5,600.3072, and 3,600 lb. 5,600.3075 models. Extreme Max also offers compatible hawse and roller fairleads, as well as a complete line of ATV cables, ropes, hooks, and other accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Rear U-bolt holes were drilled off the wrong way. No big deal if you have any experience. Fit perfectly on my 2012 Kawasaki Brute Force 750. Had to modify the rear mounting holes a bit, but no big deal. The rear U-bolts were also a little small, but I got them on. Great for the money.